Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee at ChemEng, and today we have two very special visitors all the way from Norway, from NTNU. So we have Associate Professor Sulalit as well as Hammad, who is doing his PhD, both in the Department of Chemical Engineering at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. All right, okay. Sorry, it's in Norwegian, so I'm trying to convert it in my head. Yeah, because and it's always nice to meet people who currently live and work in Norway, because that's what I used to do some time ago as well. So Sulalit, what actually prompted you to visit us here in Sydney?
Yeah, so we are visiting different departments of chemical engineering in Australia, taking some time out from our conference that we attended in Adelaide a few days back.
Yeah, you presented some pretty good work there.
That was on colloids and interface.
Yep.
And myself, I'm working within particle engineering and hydrometallurgy.
Yep.
And strength-wise crystallization is kind of what we do in our daily life. But the interest, what brought us here is that we are also at this point revising our study program, which is initially called the Masters in Sustainable Chemical and Biochemical Engineering, but now it's becoming a joint Masters together with Material Science and Engineering. So it's nice to be here to look at your labs, to talk to faculty, also to look at what research areas are going on for possible future collaboration.
I love that. Thank you so much. And Hammad, can you tell us a bit about your PhD work?
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Hi, I'm Hammad. I'm a PhD student here with my PhD supervisor. So actually, I am working on recycling of lithium-ion batteries or end-of-life lithium-ion batteries. And my PhD work basically sits at the intersection of battery recycling, material characterization, and process development.
That's right, you guys were talking all about the black mass that comes in from everywhere, and then you have to figure out an entire process. It was really impressive. You should read up more about it.
So the black mass basically contains very, very valuable materials such as nickel, manganese, cobalt, and most importantly for me, graphite. Right? All of these have been categorized as critical raw materials by the EU. And in my PhD, very kind of main technique that I'm using is called flotation, which is all about interface and interfacial science. And that is also one of the reasons that we are here. I actually came with my supervisor in the conference at Adelaide to present our work on flotation. And finally, I think I would just finish by saying the main goal is to make the battery use more sustainable, so we leave enough material for the future.
That's right, yeah, so designing for it right from the beginning as well. So we have to do with what we have. We cannot ignore it. It's a problem. It's not going to go, we can't landfill it anymore. We shouldn't anyway, because of all the leaching problems. And the solutions that you all have come up with is really, really impressive, because yesterday they gave us a really brilliant seminar. Again, not enough time to talk about all of it, but Sulalit, you had a couple of other things. You were talking about how you lead the particle lab.
So I'm leading this particle engineering center, which was actually set up 5 years back. And this came out from the fact that we developed the test kits for corona detection all over Norway. So our test kits were used all over Norway, and we also sent to Denmark, India, Brazil, and that led to also establishment of the center, but also a startup which is called Live Scientific, where I'm working as a CTO.
That's brilliant.
We are working on magnetic nanoparticles, so that's the other part. And the way we connect these two fields is that, as Hammad mentioned, this is all about surfaces, interfaces in suspension.
So particle-particle interaction, particle-bubble interaction.
That is brilliant. Sorry, we don't rehearse any of this, so I'm hearing half of this for the first time. And yeah, that's the thing, right? So we always encourage, we love it when people come and visit us and when they share with us what they're up to, because I think that's one of the quickest way to generate interest, and I know our students love hearing about it and all that. So I wanted to thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Professor, and Hammad, who's soon to be a Dr. Hammad.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Bye.